Welcome to Sellics Advertising. When you're getting started, we recommend setting up 2 steps that will help you reach your PPC targets and also help you be more efficient. The first one will help you reach your ACoS goals. As I'm sure many of you have experienced, the process of manually adjusting your campaign bids on the daily to reach your ACoS goals can be a very tedious process. That's why at Sellics, we give you the ability to automate your bids with pre-populated rule sets. To get started, we recommend setting this up for your top 5 campaigns to help you improve your ACoS and also to help you save time. So let me go ahead and just show you how easy it is to do, and let's jump into Sellics Advertising. So once you're in the tool, you just want to go ahead and click on Automate. And under the bid rule tab, you're going to see pre-populated rule sets for both automatic campaigns as well as for manual campaigns. Now, the best practice rule sets are based on an if this, then that format. So a bid adjustment will be triggered if certain conditions are met. To improve efficiency, the rule set decreases your bid if you are above your target ACoS, and it increases it to improve your sales if you are below your target ACoS. So overall, it's just always making sure that you are meeting your target ACoS. To activate either of these rule sets, all you have to do is click here where it says 0 active ad groups. And you can either select all active ad groups or select specific ones. Once you click there, you'll have the ability to enter your target ACoS for each individual ad group, and then just click OK. And that's it. Sellics will check these ad groups that you've selected and will automatically adjust your bids to meet your target ACoS. In the next video, I'll show you how to automate your keywords to reduce wasted ad spend. I'll see you there.